Hi children, welcome back in our online IEO classes. Dear students, I hope you all are fine and enjoying watching videos. Keep watching our videos regularly and study regularly. Students, in our previous video, we have started second chapter of IEO, that is synonyms. Students, I have already explained you the meaning of synonym. Synonym is a type of words. While learning vocabulary, we learn this too. Synonyms means the words having similar in meaning, means the words having same meaning. These words are known as synonym. So, students, now in previous video we have finished 20 questions. Let's see question B is here. We have to solve it today. Let's read this question. A group of 4 words is given. Out of the 4 options, 3 are synonyms. Choose the odd one out. Now what we have to do? 4 options are given, 4 words are given. Among these 4, 3 are same in meaning, means these 3 words are synonyms. But one option is different, it is one odd one out. So which one is the different option, that we have to select and we have to choose it as our answer. Okay, so let's read. Question number 21, 4 options are here. Morning, dawn and daybreak. Morning, dawn, daybreak and sunset. If we see this carefully, students, morning is the time of day. Dawn means also the time when sun rises in the morning, that is known as dawn. And daybreak, it means also the same thing when sun rise, when sun we can see in the morning. Okay, that time daybreak means day starts there. That time is known as daybreak. So daybreak, morning and dawn, these 3 words are synonym, but sunset means when sun vanish in evening, okay, sun sets. So this is one another or different or one option. Our answer is here D. 22, grave, serious, silly and crucial. Now students, in these 4 options, 3 words are synonym and one is odd one out. So let's see. Grave, serious and crucial. These 3 words are synonyms. Okay, grave, serious and crucial. But silly is different word. It is odd man out. It is odd option. That is our answer. 23rd, leader, chief, commander and follower. It's very simple, students. Leader leads group. Chief also known as leader only or the chief of group. Okay. And commander is also the leader of group. It is chief of group. He command to other members of the group. That is commander. So this way, students, leader, commander and chief, these 3 words have same meaning. Okay, they are synonyms. But 4th option, option D, is follower. It represents for the member who follows the head one or chief one. It means follower, and it is our answer because this word is different word. This is okay, odd one from these 4 options. Now next 24th word we have to find here. Let's see. Twenty-fourth and 4 options are given here. Liturgy, energy, activity, spirit. Okay, among these four, which option is odd one out, which is different option we have to find here. So if we see student, energy, activity and spirit, these are synonyms and option A is different answer, that is odd one out. Okay, 25th one, argue, ponder, gaze and think. Okay, argue is different one, gaze, think and ponder are synonym, they are same in meaning. So option A is our answer. 26th word is here glance, peep, glimpse and gaze. Okay, in these four options, which one is different one? So once again, read carefully. Glance, peep or glimpse and gaze. So students, option D, gaze is different answer. Okay, it is different in meaning. These three are synonyms. 27th word, courteous, polite, rude and well mannered. Okay, students, polite and rude, these two are antonym, these two are opposite words, where well mannered and polite is same in meaning. Well mannered means having well manner, and courteous also having the same meaning with polite and well mannered. Means option A, B and D are synonyms, but option C is our answer, that is having different meaning. Okay students, so in this video we have seen these questions, these words. We can say that synonyms are more than two. Means synonyms always are not two, they can be more than two also. Okay, so students, I hope you understood this video very well. Remaining part we will continue in our next video.